I'm Peter Haddock, and I'm here on the Hexagon Leica Geosystems stand at Intermat for the big reveal, folks. Yes, it is the big reveal here, a brand new product from Leica. And I've got the expert with me just now to tell us all about it. What have we got here in my hand? New product launched here at Intermat.
Yes, so that's quite an exciting reveal today because that's a new product. We've been teasing about that in the past weeks at the press day last. And actually, this product is the new intelligent antenna and the first intelligent antenna from Leica Geosystems for machine control.
Right.
Yes.
What does that mean then? Because we're used to seeing the mushrooms on the machine. This is slightly different in size. What's an intelligent antenna?
It is different because the meaning of intelligent antenna means that everything which is intelligent in the system is embedded in the antenna. So when you move from one machine to another, actually you will bring your intelligence features from one machine to another with the antenna.
Right.
It is allowing more flexibility, more ease of use in the field. When you have to equip more machines than one or two or three or four, it's easier to pre-equip your machine and to move your intelligence with that, just shifting the antennas around. And that's it. That's very convenient.
Be sure, folks, that I will be seeing this in action on site pretty soon, and I'll report back to you on that. But today, it is the big reveal. But it's not just all the story of the stand, is it? Time to go and find out some more. Guess what, folks? It's a new tablet, and quite frankly, to me, this looks so easy to look at and view, and there's lots of different applications there that I can pop on. Tell us about the new tablet. We've had the new antenna. This is the new one.
Absolutely, and first you're right, it is so easy to look at and to access all the data that you need in the field. It is bright, it is compact, it is performant, and thanks to that, you can use the icon field application with ease. It is made for surveyors needing some compactness, some ruggedized equipment, but also some performance on the field to see, to play with your 3D data and so on. It's very convenient. We are very happy to have this. It's a small controller, but a big addition to the range for sure.
If it's easy to use and it's visible in all the different senses of the word, when you're there on the sunshine, all the rest of it, it just looks so clear, folks, than the ones I've seen before. But it doesn't stop there. Let's go. So the big news is we've got an excavator on the stand, and it's electric and it's working, folks. And here with Dan Leaney. Dan, you are the Xwatch guru. Xwatch is on this machine here with the 3D collision avoidance and the MC1 machine control integration. Really important journey you've had, isn't it, with the integration here? How has it been working, and why is the 3D collision avoidance so important?
The avoidance is being accepted globally with what we're doing as a solution. It really is knocking down boundaries and elevating the collision avoidance, and with the safety system as a hierarchical provider. Now, it's just amazing the reception we're getting. We are literally breaking down barriers around the world. People are thinking this is magic. It's never been seen before, but we're proving it. It's been out nearly a year now, and the uptake and the tier ones around the world are just absorbing this as the next generation.
So I've been recently on the M6 motorway with Costain and Flannery with a JCB machine that is the first in the UK in anger to be used. The 3D collision avoidance for people is about a virtual space, a bubble around this machine here. So we've got walls which we can't pass. We've got surfaces which we can't dig down to. We've got the slew and height restriction, so we can't move above it. It's a whole thing that it's just almost a safety bubble, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Around the machine.
It's an ecosystem. But what's the beauty of the solution is the driver feels very comfortable using it. He can visualize on the MC1 platform where he can and he can't go. So he's not using bits of tape, he's not using spotters, he can visually see where he's allowed to go. The whole idea of the solution is he doesn't hit anything. He doesn't go into the avoidance zones, but he can see them clearly on the MC1 platform.
And it's all integrated into one Leica tablet, which makes the cab clutter disappear, folks. And the bigger news today, Dan, is that as of today, you are officially part of the Hexagon family because you've been acquired by Hexagon, which means that Xwatch, yes, it's going global, but it's going to go super global here. First international show at Intermat, and it's great to see the journey that you've gone on. Brilliant to see the technology coming, and wonderful to see you part of the family now. Congratulations.
Thank you, Peter. Thank you. You've been part of the journey as well. So you've been with us since day one. You've seen where we've come from. You've seen the growth that we've had, and I welcome, of course, I do, to be part of the Hexagon family, and to see where we can take Xwatch. It's very exciting. It's very humbling for me.
Yep.
And I'm glad to be part of it.
And I think it's fantastic to see well thought out safety technology focused on the operator who can now look and focus on doing their job better. We're all protected, we're all safer. And guess what? When you're safer, you're more productive, folks. And that is another critical thing.